welcome to my channel. Let's be happy today without using any makeup. As you can see, my hair was little frizzy, so let's get started. So I'm using this white comb here. Now I'm gonna part my hair from the middle into side, as you can see here. After parting my hair, I'm gonna detangle it, as you can see. Now I'm taking the Strix serum. This is an almond. I am taking this for 2 to 3 pumps in my hand and then rub it on my palms and applying all over my hair. Most of I am applying from the downside of my hair, not the root. I'm gonna comb my hair again, as you can see. Now my hair is totally frizz-free, as you can see. It's very smooth right now and there is no frizziness. We all know that almond is very good for our hair. So yeah, I love this. Look at my hair, it's so smooth and silky shiny right now. I'm loving this. Now it's time for eyebrows. I'm taking this eyebrow plucker and take out my extra eyebrows from my down of my eyebrows and side of my eyebrows, as you can see. Eyebrows are done. Now it's time for eyes. I'm using this eyelash curler. As you can see, my eyelashes are lifted and my eyes are look little bigger. Eyes are done. I'm going to tie my hair because it's a little messy right now. So yeah, now it's time for mascara. So I'm putting this mascara on my eyes, taking care of my eyes. I'm not gonna poke it. It just, I don't have any mirror right now, so I'm applying like this only. So yeah, apply downside of your eyelashes also. Now it's time for my face. I'm taking this Nivea Light Soft Moisturizer. Taking just a little. This is very good for moisturizing because it's very light on your skin, and I'm applying all over my face right now. It keeps moisturize your face all over the day or night. Whenever you want, you can apply it. I'm using this on my face and my neck also. It gives natural glowy effect, as you can see. My face was done right now. Now it's time to take out my hair. Yep. Now it's time for my lips. I'm taking this Lakme lip balm on my lips. This is instead of my lip color, nude color. It's shiny and I love it. And yeah, our whole look was done. I'm setting my hair again. As you can see, this is so simple. I'm not using any makeup right now, and I'm very much love this look. And this is so simple, and yeah, this is elegant too, and it's go with summertime. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you wanna ask me anything, then comment down below. See you next time. Bye bye. Lots of love. Don't miss the fun of the end of this video.